Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I am Robert and be welcome to this review about Joint Genesis. Yes, and today you'll know if it's really worth the money or not. So stay with me until the end of this video to learn more, okay? And please make sure to only buy Joint Genesis on the official website. And you should know that there's only one official website, okay? And it's right down below in the description of this video. Now everyone, aging is part of life, right? But sometimes it comes with something that is not so good, right? And yes guys, I'm talking about joint pain, joint discomfort, because guys, I am pretty sure that you have pain when you get up, you have pain when you sit down, you have pain when you go to sleep, you have pain every single day, and it might be affecting your everyday life really badly, right? Because you can do the things that you want without having any kind of pain. And I'm pretty sure that you were tired of all of these pills, these treatments that your doctor is prescribing to you on a daily basis, because they come with a lot of chemicals, and these chemicals can cause serious side effects, and I'm telling you, long-term side effects. And guys, that's why I'm here today to introduce you to Joint Genesis, because Joint Genesis is a 100% natural solution for your joint pain, okay? Because Joint Genesis addresses the real root cause of your joint discomfort and joint pain, guys. And guys, I'm not saying this for nothing, okay? Because scientists from the University of Harvard discovered this. And guys, according to scientists from the University of Harvard, the real root cause of your joint pain is because of a lack of a really important substance in your body, which is called hyaluronan. And guys, when we are young, we have a lot of this substance inside our bodies, okay? And the substance is really important for your joints because it helps it to keep it lubricated, guys, okay? And to prevent it to get worse. But guys, the problem is that as you age, you have less and less of this hyaluronan inside your body. And because of that, you will start to have this joint discomfort. And guys, with Joint Genesis, you will replenish this substance in your body, okay? And by doing that, you will protect your joints, okay? You will have a relief in your joints in a very short time, okay? And you should know that this is only possible because Joint Genesis has the exact combination of ingredients in the clinically proven quantities that will help you to support the health of your joints, okay? And guys, not only that, because Joint Genesis will also increase your energy levels so you have more energy during the day. And guys, for you to start supporting the health of your joints is really simple. You just have to take one capsule of Joint Genesis every single day in the morning before breakfast with a big glass of water. And that's all you have to do, guys. In just a few weeks, you will start to feel less pain in your joints, okay? Less discomfort, all right? And guys, within 3 to 6 months, which is also the recommended treatment by the manufacturer, you will feel so much better, like you have the joint of a 20-year-old. I'm telling you guys, okay? Because your hyaluronan levels will be completely replenished. So you can finally say goodbye to all of this joint pain that you felt during all of these years. Because with Joint Genesis, this will all be in the past, okay? Say hello to your new joints because you deserve, guys. I know that you're going through this pain and you deserve to have a relief in your life, okay? And guys, you should also know that Joint Genesis is completely safe to use, okay? Because it's FDA approved and GMP certified and is manufactured under the highest quality standards possible, okay? And it's also non-GMO, not heavy forming, and completely gluten-free. And it's also important for you to know that Joint Genesis ingredients are tested for maximum purity and potency to ensure that you will have the best results possible. But guys, if you're still feeling a little bit skeptical about Joint Genesis, you don't have to be, okay? Because the manufacturer covers you with a risk-free 180 days money-back guarantee. And let me tell you something, guys, that is enough time for your joints to be completely fresh, okay? So everyone, if you're ready to be finally free from all of this joint pain and all the pain in every single part of your body, then Joint Genesis will totally help you. Just commit to the treatment, take Joint Genesis every day, and you will see results really fast. So that's about it for today, guys. That was my review on Joint Genesis. And guys, I am really glad to be doing this review because I'm pretty sure that you will have amazing results with Joint Genesis, okay? Just commit to the treatment like I said and you will see results, okay? And guys, like I said in the beginning, please make sure to only be buying Joint Genesis on the official website because there you get the original product with all its benefits. You also get the extended 180 days money back guarantee. So guys, completely worth it and totally risk-free, okay? And the link is down below in the description of this video. And guys, if you like this video review, please give it a thumbs up, okay? And I'll see you guys on the very next video. Bye bye, guys.